My name is Walid Kharsa. I am from ISGR, the international school from the Gothenburg region. Today I am going to show how a DC motor works and how to build your own card with a DC motor. So now, as you see, there's 3 DC motors. This is a DC motor. The main part in a DC motor is the magnetic and the wires. Magnetic to make magnetic field with current and wires, and the magnetic field the engine moves. In the following videos you will see how a DC motor works. Let us start with the simplest DC motor. It looks like this. The magnetic produces. So to build your card you need a box, a welder, wires, a 4.5 volt DC motor, 6 batteries and wires. We connect 3 batteries in series and another 3 batteries in series, so we connect them with each other. Wow. Here we connected 3 batteries in series to have 4.5 volt, and we connected 6 batteries in parallel to have a big storage. As you see here, we made holes to insert the axis wheel. Now we fixed the DC motor and we attached the rubber to the axis, and we attached the rubber to the DC motor, and we attached the DC motor to the battery. Now we will fix the back wheels. Now we've done the back axis, and this is the cover of our card, and we are ready to install our wheel.